Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update NVIDIA drivers on Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, go to your desktop and come down to the search box in the taskbar at the bottom. Here, type NVIDIA app and open it from the search results. If you don't already have the NVIDIA app installed on your system, you can easily download it. Simply open any internet browser, go to Google, and search for the NVIDIA app. Click on the top result, which will take you to the official NVIDIA website. From there, click on the Download Now button and install the NVIDIA app on your PC. Once the installation is complete, return to the search box, type NVIDIA app, and open it. After the NVIDIA app opens, you'll see the main interface. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Drivers. This section allows you to check for any available driver updates for your NVIDIA graphics card. Here, you'll be able to see if a new driver is available. At the top, you also have the option to switch between the Game Ready driver and the Studio driver, depending on what you prefer to use. Once you've selected the driver you want, simply click on Download, and the app will automatically download and install the latest NVIDIA drivers for you. And that's it. So that's basically how you can update NVIDIA drivers Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.